Christians should be like this.
Very sweet.
Some flowers, one at least little garland should be.
Another one.
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरत्विषे गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालयै कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो भक्त्या विहीनाय पराधलक्ष्यै चित्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयीं त्वां शरणं प्रपद्ये नमस्ते चरणम् यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातरया जुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया सर्वोऽभिनेदु तं सर्वभूतहृदयं तवैवास्मि न जीवामि त्वया विना इति विज्ञाय राधे तं नयमाम् भजामि राधाम् अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधाम् मनुस्मितास्यां वदामि राधाम् करुणाभराद्रां ततो मम नास्ति गतिर्न काले। Author is telling that Bhajami Radham Arvinda Netram. Oh, I'll be so fortunate if I'm always serving Bhajami Srimati Arvinda Netram Radha. Oh, very beautiful face with very beautiful lotus eyes. How she is? Always smiling. Why is smiling? Always he is reminding Krishna and Krishna. When I will be so fortunate, Vadami Radham Karuna Bhadram. She is so most merciful, causeless merciful, more than even Krishna. Sometimes Krishna learns this mercy, how to do mercy from Srimati Radhika. So when I will utter Radhe, 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 oh, I don't know except Radhika. She is my whole. She should be inside me, she should be outside of me. This side, that side, in all corners, upside, downside. I want to serve Srimati Radhika in this way. And if she is telling that if Krishna will know that she has taken shelter in the lotus feet of Radhika, then Krishna, without praying anything, he will come and donate everything she wants. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has brought this mercy of Srimati Radhika. Now you are coming to our subject. न धर्मं न धर्मं श्रुतगुण निरुक्तं किलुक ब्रजे राधा कृष्ण परिचर्यां प्रचुर परिचर्यां मिहतनु शचि सुनु नंदेश्वर पति सुतत्वे गुरुवरं मुकुंद पृष्ठत्वे स्मर परम जशनु बना. Oh my dear mind, you should try to listen me and follow me. Giving all kinds of what?
Religious or irreligious? Religious.
Giving up all worldly desires. Keeping away very far away. Keeping all the problems. There should be only one problem. How to serve Krishna? Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Where is my Krishna? Where is Krishna? Without him, my heart is broken. Where to go? Where to see him? Where to see him? And like rolling down Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So this is the only problem. All problem must go quickly. So he is telling, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur is arising three questions. Hearing the first sloka, that if anyone is always serving conjugal, always serving conjugal, he has no time to maintain his life, or he has no time to maintain his family or anything, his life. But if you are not acting or exercising for dharma and adharma, giving all kinds of adharma, and you are also give up what has been told in Vedas. Two things have been told. Don't do adharma, and always perform religious activities. Only two things. But here he is telling that you should not do anything, but if you are not doing actually what has been told in Vedas to maintain your life, then your life will be finished. Then you cannot chant, remember and do all these things. It is very hard. So we should try to know all these things. That is why in Gita it has been told, Niyatam karma kuru, tam karma jayo hi akarmana. They are told that here you should know that Raghunath Das Goswami is telling that if we are giving up dharma, adharma in fully, we are giving up, then we cannot live for a moment in this world. But Raghunath Das Goswami's mood is not so. He is not telling to give up all these things which we are doing from our bodies or senses. There are two kinds of person in this world. One is Agya and another is Vigya. One is the intelligent and other are
Ignorant.
ignorant. Two kinds. Those who are ignorant, they cannot do anything good without the help of
Shastra.
Shastra or any high class of intelligent person. They should try to follow the regulations of Vedas, or they should be under the guidance of any religious person. Otherwise, they will be so weak and they will be ruined. So they must be in the guidance of Shastra or those who are following Shastra. That is why for ignorant persons, in Vedas, in Smritis, Smriti, you know, those who are scripture following Vedas.
Supplementary scriptures.
Yes. So, those who are intelligent person, those who are
Faithful.
big, wise person, intelligent person, for them, no need of following Vedas. Actually, that all behaviors, all divorce will be according to Vedas. You can, by example, you can understand that if a boy who has interest in study himself, no need of telling that you should not play with wicked boys, we should not go here and there, because you know that always he is reading. But those who have no taste in reading, studying, father and mother always keep care on them and tells that, in very morning you should get up and you should study these books. Never play with wicked persons. Don't play so much. You should go daily to your masters and the school. And you should do the task what your teacher gives. So for them there are so many regulations, rules and regulations. But those who have so much interest in studying, no, itself they will pick up everything. So for wise, who are wise? Those who have some affection for Krishna. Those who are give him themselves, surrendered, and always chanting, remembering, and they have developed their Krishna consciousness up to ruchi, or more than this, they have developed up to asakti and then bhav. They are bigger. They are
Wise.
so for them these regulations, general common regulations are not
Necessary.
only for those who are. Here, Raghunath Das Goswami is telling that whatever you do in devour, any karma done by body, mind, tongue, words, you should do always favorable for bhakti. For this he has not told that dharma or adharma you don't follow. You should try to make all your activities how? Very favorable. If you are drinking water, it should be favorable for bhakti. If you are sleeping, it should be favorable for bhakti. If you are telling anything, it should be favorable for bhakti. If you are associating with anyone, that association should be favorable. So for this. But those who are always chanting, remembering, with so love and affection, for them he is telling, You should Braje Radha Krishna Prachur Parichajyam Hetanu. He is telling to whom? His mind. He wants to control his mind. So it has been told for all the devotees, especially for those who has some greed for serving Radha Krishna conjugal. For them he is telling. So very high topics. Though we have no actual that greed, and it may be some can have, it is not impossible that there will be no devotee that they will not have greed actually. Or it may be that some of the devotees may be up to the grade of mood of bhav. It may be. We cannot realize this thing. But it may be. In Vrindavan, everywhere, in Govardhan, there are so many. So, always they should try to do prachur. Prachur means abundance of services to Radha, Krishna and conjugal. How you can serve Radha and Krishna conjugal? You can serve Ram in male form. You can serve Dwarkadish also in male form. You can serve Jashodanandan as a friend returns to Krishna as a male form. You can serve Krishna as Vatsalya Ras, like Jashoda and Nanda. Also half like Jashoda and half like Nanda Baba. But in them, whose love is superior? Who loves more? Even Srimati Jashoda rebukes Krishna, gives a slap, and he is weeping. But even he
go to mother left.
Go to mother. He will go. So the love and affection of Jashoda Maiya is more superior somewhat. But we can serve Krishna like father, like Nanda Baba also. But we cannot serve conjugally in male form. Nanda Baba cannot go, even Jashoda cannot go, even any friend cannot go. Some friends like Sugal and Ujjwal, they can help from distance. They will help go, but at the time of meeting they will also go away. So only who will serve this conjugal? Only gopis can serve. So if you have taste to serve Radha and Krishna conjugal, like the friends of gopis, like Rup Goswami, like Raghunath Das Goswami, for them he is telling, especially anyone male form, how he can be so high class of devotion. They cannot enter there. So he is telling, for them especially. So you should have some semblance of greed. Try to have. If you are reading Chaitanya Charitamrita, surely this may come. If you are reading Srimad Bhagavatam, explanation of Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, not by reading, but if you are hearing from any high class of Rasik Vaishnava, Nigama Kalpatarur Galitang Phalam Sukhamukhad Amrit Drava Sanyutam Pivata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muraho Rasika Bhula. Then you can surely have that kinds of greed. Especially Chaitanya Charitamrita and all the books of our Goswamis. They can give birth of this Greed. So we should try to hear all these things from their mouth. Yeah? So he is telling that prachura paricharya. What is prachur? That is this kind of. Like Rupa Goswami used to do, internally and outwardly, both. They used to do. Raghunath Das Goswami. Bande Rup Sanatano Raghujagau Sri Jiva Gopalako. So, we should not fear that we should keep dharma and adharma all. But we should give up, always be engaged in Krishna Bhakti and should adopt only which is favorable and give it up which are not favorable for this Bhakti. Even in Veda, in Srimad Bhagavatam or in the scriptures, it has been told, any bhakta should remember Dwarkadhish, Rukmini Kanta, Satyabhama Kanta. This is bhakti. But if any bhakta of Braja, devotee of Braja, is not following this and galloping, no harm. No harm at all. So there are 5 kinds of devotion. 64 kinds of bhaktis. You know, 64? They are divided into 5. Those were bhavamai. Bhavamai means related to Krishna, that I want to serve him. I want to be related with Krishna like gopis. He is my beloved. This is bhav. So, he will read all these things. He will hear only these things. Only bhav my kirtans, bhav my pastimes of Krishna. Only these things. He will read and follow and sing the kirtans. Radhe Jai Jai Madhav. This is what? Bhav. In Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Jashamati Nandana Brajavaranaga Gokula Ranjana Kana Gopi Paranadhana Madana Manohara Kaliya Damana Vidhana Jashamati Nandana Brajavaranaga Gokula Ranjana Kana. Here Nagar Kadamba Kana Narasha Parayan. What is this? Manasa Chandra Chakora. Jamuna Jivan. What is this? All are bhav. There are some bhav sambandhi. What are bhav sambandhi?
Relationship.
To serve Gurudev, to follow Gurudev in Vrishambha mode. Always serving Gurudev in this way. Having initiation, it is very needful. By relation, this relation comes and then it becomes bhav sambandhi. These are bhav sambandhi. They will return into bhavamai. Those who are helping, like Ekadashi, Janmashtami, following of all these things. Tulsi, serving Tulasi. They are what? Bhav Sambandhi. They will make so much help for it. If anyone is chanting, remembering, but not serving Tulasi, not
Observing Ekadashi.
Mantra, all these mantras, who are giving relations, and not he is doing. He not observing Janmashtami. Then he cannot have bhakti. So they are bhav sambandhi. And those who are not favorable and not
Unfavorable.
unfavorable,
Neutral.
like in 64 kinds of bhakti, it has been told that you should serve amala tree. Amala tree, you know?
People,
People.
There is a
fruit,
fruit, very
amloki.
amlauki it is called. In India, everywhere I have seen. Very useful, more than mangoes and all. It gets so much taste, very pure. Reading of Purans like Brahma Vaivarta, Garga Samhita, no much, so much
Favorable.
favorable, not,
Unfavorable.
oh you can read. Most favorable is Srimad Bhagavatam. It is Bhavamaya, it is Bhav Sambandhi
Bhavanukul.
and Bhavanukul. Everything is Srimad Bhagavatam. Chaitanya Chaitamrita. Bhavamaya, Bhava Sambandhi and Bhavanukul also. And those who are not favorable, we should not at all. Though it has been written in 64 kinds of bhakti, but even we can. If you have greed for serving conjugal, so gradually we will discuss all these things. Now, he is telling that if you are taking which is favorable for your bhakti, then he was the perhaps क्या कहता है
Vasudeva is nephew.
Nand Baba like son, his brother's son, like chapatis from houses. So he used to go. It is favorable for them. It was. But now, being a sannyasi and you are going and telling that I will come and you should make ready chapati with
Ladu,
ghee
puri,
and
ladu.
sweet rice and everything. Oh, this is not favorable. So we should try to know all these things. Then he is telling second question. We should try to do bhajan of conjugal in one pointed way. If you are doing bhajan of Radha Krishna conjugal one pointed, then how you should treat Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? And if you are chanting, remembering and worshipping Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that he has brought Anarpit Charin Chirat, this love and affection. And he is very kind because he is combination of Radha and Krishna conjugal. And he has taken the beauty of Radhika and intrinsic modes of Radhika. And he has become Sachidnandan. So there is some difference between Krishna and
Chaitanya
Chaitanya
Mahaprabhu.
Mahaprabhu. Though they are same, but yet we should try to serve only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because he is conjugal, no need of serving
Divine couple.
divine couple. A question may come. Or we should serve Radha Krishna conjugal and Sachinandan Gaurhari also in separate months and separate meditations. Gaur mantra is Kling Gauraya Swaha. And Radha Krishna, Sprinkling Radha Krishna Bhyam. By this we can do archan. And separate
All time.
dishes of preparation should be
Comfort.
offered to both. So what we should do? If we are chanting and doing worshipping of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and also to Krishna by separate months and all these dishes, then it is not good. Or bhakti is not one-pointed. So what should we do? And also, if you are serving your Gurudev, and first you are remembering Gurudev, and worshipping Gurudev, and after that by Guru Mantra and all other things. Then you are not one-pointed. So how we should do all these things? And one question I will tell further and explain. So now I am explaining this. Sati Sunan Nandiswar Pati Sutta Pre Guru Varam Mukunda Presthatte Smara Paramajyasun Numana. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is so merciful. After Krishna pastime, Krishna thought himself that I am the object of praying, and Srimati Radhika is container, abode of Ashraya Tattva. Sometimes I may be Ashraya and Srimati Radhika may be object, but it is very rare. So we are not going to tell about this. But especially Srimati Radhika is abode of Ashraya, Krishna praying. And Krishna is object of praying. Krishna is powerful. All the appellants are Krishna. He is help himself. He is Akhanda Prem, ocean of a rush. There is nothing who Krishna does not know. He knows everything. And that is why he is called Atmaram. But something is left. Sometimes Krishna become Anekarasa. Anekarasa means
different type of rasa.
He tastes. He tastes object and also Ashraya in combination. And for that he had come descended at Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And he wanted to sprinkle his mercy to all without any
Cost and creed.
cost and creed. Also he
Consideration, no consideration.
no consideration. He wanted to give. What? Anarpita charing chirat karune avatirna kalau samarpayitum unnata ujjvala rasam Sri. He wanted to give the Sri beauty of unnata ujjvala rasa. He came to taste the modes of Radhika, that is Mahabhava Rudha and all this. It cannot be given to anyone. Any soul cannot be qualified to taste it. Only Krishna can do it. So, these three modes, Radhaya, Pranaya, Mahima, Kiddrisho, Va, Naiva, that how Srimati Radhika loves Krishna and she becomes mad. Krishna cannot realize this. How she can taste the sweetness of Krishna, his flute, his so sweet beauty,
Quality.
Bansi Madhuri, sweetness of his flute, his qualities.
Sweetness of pastime.
Krishna cannot taste all these things. And what happiness comes in Radhika, so that he thinks that, oh, he is that black person I have never seen in my whole life. Lalita says that, oh yes, just now we have come from his lap and you are telling that who is he? But this is the highest topic of love to Krishna. So Krishna cannot taste it. Because it is in gopis and especially in Radhika. So he has come to taste all these things. It is not for distribution today to give anyone. Anyone cannot take this. because it is intrinsic nature of Srimati Radhika. It cannot be given to him. But beauty of this mood can be given. What is beauty? Like a creeper. There is a creeper. But creeper has so many leaves, you know. So, beautiful leaves. And some flowers, some manjaris. What is called manjari?
Bud.
But
Flower bud.
Bud के कुड़ी बोले.
no word perhaps.
That's not a manjari.
Oh no, these are
That's a
flowers.
flower. But
Manjaris are not flower even. No fruit. No.
Bud, not
These are buds.
not open.
Like Tulsari manjari. It cannot be told flower. But these are manjari. More beautiful, having so much sweetness and
good.
madhu,
Sweet fragrance.
honey in them. So bees always humming. To take the sweetness, to take that honey. So manjaris. Without leaves, there is no
Beauty.
value of
No beauty.
creeper. If air comes, what become? Leaves begin to
Tremble.
dance. And the creeper begins to laugh. By what? Flowers. In bosom. She began to laugh. And she begins to dance by what? By their manjaris. Oh, here and there. Oh, I am so happy to see Krishna, to serve Krishna. So this is beauty of that Unnat Ujjvala Rasa. And that is where? In Rup, Sanatan, Raghunath,
Yeah.
and all Goswami, this beauty is there. This is very beautiful, more than some gain, than Lalita Vishakha even. They are more secret, always serving Radhika, alone or with Krishna. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had come to this. So when he came and distributed this
Beauty. Beauty.
beauty of this conjugal rush, so I am very much indebted to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Anyone, Krishna has never given it, even Krishna. Anyone has not given. Only Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu can give, because he has taken the beauty and inner intrinsic mood of Radhika. How he can give? So we are very much indebted to so. So we should try to serve him. So anyone serving Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, like what? Like gopis used to serve her, Krishna in that mood, but it is wrong. We should not try to. So he is telling that anyone can doubt if Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is combination of Radha and Krishna both, or he has taken the beauty and intrinsic mood of Radhika. So we should try to worship, serve Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and thus conjugal serving will be done automatically. Either or we should serve Radha and Krishna and worship Radha and Krishna both, having deities of Radha and Krishna and also of Mahaprabhu. Especially the devotees want to serve Radha and Krishna, and side by side Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, both. Some, those who are of some more better, they are serving Gaur Gadadhar. No? So what should we do? There is some doubt. That is why Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he is telling, Sachi sunu nandeshat sutatve guru varam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come as a Jagat Guru. Jagat Guru, you know, teacher of whole world.
Universe.
Here teaches Rupa Goswami in Prayag. Here teaches
Sanatana
Sanatana Goswami where?
Benares.
Here teaches everything to
Sarup.
Rai Ramanand inspired. And what inspired Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? He told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Here also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Guru because he has accepted him like Guru. No? And he has everywhere done as a work of Guru, Jagat Guru. How he gave a lesson to Choto Haridas, teaches something that any renounced person, brahmachari, they should not behave like Choto Haridas Thakur. Being renounced, and they should, if they are talking, they are laughing, always meeting, taking their preparation always, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Haridas Thakur, order, he should not come to me in his whole life. No? He told
Chota Harit.
Choto Haridas, order. He should be warned to come to me, to show his face. He is like Bishai. So, we should not see any statue or any naked puppet also. So he has warned us. Like Choto Haridas, he took Choto Haridas from the wives of in South India,
वो काला
Kali,
कृष्ण
Kala
Kala Krishna Das. He said, but he
भट्टाचार्यों से
from Bhattatari. But he quickly, when he returned to Puri, and he gave up. So he is Jagat Guru. We should try to avoid. He has behaved with Maharaj Pratap Rudra. I will not meet with Pratap Rudra. Though he is devotee, but he is like serpent. If he dead serpent or any serpent whose teeth has been
poison teeth has been taken out.
taken, but yet we fear. So we should fear. So he had done so many marvelous teachings. So he is Jagat Guru. So we should, what he had taught us, we should try to follow. What he had told. Always chant Krishna. He had told to Haridas Thakur and Nityananda Prabhu, घरे घरे मांगो यही भिक्षा, बोला कृष्ण, भजा कृष्ण, करो यही कृष्ण शिक्षा. Always like this. Go to door and beg, not any wealth or money or anything. You should beg that. Oh, for once, you should chant Krishna. And if he is not telling, then come to me and report me. I will take my chakra and I will cut their heads. So, very strict Jagat Guru. So, if you are thinking that he is Jagat Guru, then we should obey him. How to obey? Oh, Jugal Seva. We should try to always worship, remember and serve Radha Krishna conjugal. This is the teaching of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then, what we should do for Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Because he is Guru. We should try to remember Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by mind. We should always. And from whom he is telling? Those who have greed. What? To serve Jugal Kishore. Radha Krishna, Pran Moh Jugal. If they have greed this. For them he is telling. If you are not obeying Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, you want to serve Chaitanya Mahaprabhu like gopis used to serve her,
Krishna.
Krishna.
Krishna. If he will not accept, never he will accept. You should try to obey him, his orders. So you can treat him like Guru. How Guru? He is telling, you know Bhakti Vinod Thakur. He has written so many books. So many books. His last book was Jaiva Dharma. So, he has also translated this Manasiksha commentary. Explanation he has done. And after that he has composed Jaiva Dharma. In Jaiva Dharma he is telling, এটা কীর্তন করতে তো এটা কীর্তন কর ভেরি গুড কীর্তন
Radha Krishna. Radha
हाँ।
Krishna Param.
ওটা কেউ অর্থ বুঝবেন এমন করো যাতে লোক বুঝতে
Radha Krishna Pranama.
রাধা জয় কুঞ্জ भी हाँ ওইটা করবো हाँ वो सब लोग
রাধা কৃষ্ণ প্রাণ মোরা যুগল কিশোরা জীবনে মরণে গতি আর নাহি মোরা
Srila Bhakti Vinod Thakur is telling. Try to hear very attentively because this subject is so high and it is for developed devotees. General devotees may not understand, but they can hear. Bhakti Vinod Thakur is explaining that those who have agreed to serve conjugal, they should follow Rupa Goswami. How? Rupa Goswami and Raghunath Goswami, all Goswami. Outwardly, Sankhya Barbaka Nam Gannati Vikala Avasani Kutau Nidrahar Vihar Kad Vistau Chatant Dino Radha Krishna Gunashmate Madhurimandavin Sammohitau Vande Rup Sanatan Guru Sri Ji. Always doing Sankhya Purvak Naam. 1 lakh or 2 lakhs. Bhakti Vinod Thakur used to chant 2 lakhs name daily without fail. Without fail. When he was in Surbhi Kunja. Always. And how he was doing, what was doing, he has told about him. Everything. How he was serving Radha and Krishna Kanjuga. So he is telling that you should outwardly you should chant, remember Krishna. Do pranam for all the pastime places in whole Brajmandal, in Navdeep Mandal, and in Nilachal Mandal, Chhatrabad. And do pranam to all the devotees, all the associates of Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and the associates of Mahaprabhu in
Puri.
Nilachal.
Dham. I remember one thing, but I will explain in another day. Very important thing. There are three places of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu: Braja, Navdeep Mandal, Navati, and Nilachal. Who is superior in this? In three, I will explain later. Because Gaud Mandal and
Brajamandal is
is same. Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna is same. No difference. Both. We cannot say that, oh, this is inferior, this is
superior.
both are same. But for Nilachal, what is this? Here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had tested very elevated and high class of
Radhika's mood.
Radhika's mood. So what is this? More than Navadip and more than Brajamandal, or what it is? Where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu tested all these modes of Radhika. So we will explain. You should remind me another day, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. This is very important thing. So, here I am coming again, returning to this point. That Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is conjugal, both. And he is telling that who will learn us, teach us to do conjugal service. Oh, himself Krishna, in the form of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He will do. He will teach us all these things. Krishna has come in the womb of Sachi Maiya, having taken the interior modes and beauty of, and actually he is conjugal, but in the shape of Sachinandan Gaudhari. Why Sachinandan? Because he has come on his mother, as mother becomes so
Beautiful. Generous.
very merciful. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is merciful like mother. Like mother. Like Jasoda and Sachi Maiya. Sachi Maiya, who is Sachi Maiya?
Yasodama.
Jasoda. And also in Sachi Maiya, Kausalya Maiya, Devaki, Aditi and Dhara, all are included in Sachi Maiya. How merciful was Sachi Maiya? Seeing anyone, he used to be melted. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has this quality from his mother. So Sachinandan, but who is Sachinandan? He is himself Krishna. So you should not think that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is inferior to Krishna. In some cases he may be some superior. His mercy will be superior. But he is even Krishna. So he has shown how to serve Krishna. The ways, the practice of Bhakti Yoga, from Vidhi Yoga, from Vaidhi Bhakti, from Ruga, from Sadhan Bhakti, Bhav Bhakti and Prema Bhakti. He had taught us. So, you should always think him like Gurudev. So, you should not do his bhajan like Navdeep Nagar. What is the meaning of Navdeep Nagar? Bhaktivinoda Thakur is there. Nagar, what is? His object of prem, tester of all. Like Krishna was testing all the gopis' love and affection. Here Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna, so he should be worshipped like Nagar. No, don't. Anywhere. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, in the books of Rupa Goswami and others, he has not been called Nagar. But some semblance of this mood is in Chaitanya Mangal.
Lochan Das.
Of Lochan Das. Something. So Prabhupada, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami told, read very carefully. You can take some historical information from that, not the Siddhant of love and affection. But nowadays they are doing so. So he is telling that don't give up conjugal service and think that he has come in now the same Nagar, Krishna Nagar has come. So we should think that he is Nagar. And we should try to be like gopis and think that Krishna is, Mahaprabhu is Krishna. So as a gopis, we should serve. Don't do.
Naga means beloved.
What?
Naga means beloved.
Like Upapati.
Paramor, Upapati.
Ki?
Paramor.
Paramor.
P-A-R-A-M-O.
Amor.
So we should not think, he will not accept, he will have his chakra and at once he will cut. We should not do that. Then how? He is Krishna. But those who in Archan Marga, in Vaidhi Bhakti, Archan Marga, they are thinking and they are meditating Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in separate meditation from Radha Krishna. And with separate months they offer anything to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And worshipping separate. Sometimes here and sometimes. If they are not worshipping, some also keep Jagannath Baldev and Ram, Lakshman, Sita also, and doing all these things. Let them do what they are doing. Don't disturb them. If they are doing like that, if you agree to serve Radha and Krishna, don't disturb them. Let them do separately or anyhow they are doing. They should meditate Gaur Chandra also like in this form with Nityananda Prabhu. Sometimes we Gadadhar with separate dishes and prepare giving them with Tulasi and also to Radha Krishna separately. Let them do. Don't disturb them. Why? Because they will disturb you. So let them do. If we will have so much high class of devotees, Rashik and Bhavuk, and they will have greed, then they will follow this. Otherwise they cannot follow. So he is telling that, let them do. But if in Rasa Marga, in Raganuga Marga, what? A spontaneous, love way, natural, then in conjugal shape, in Radha Krishna shape, they should be worshipped. And to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is like a guru. Though he is Krishna, but now he is guru. But that is why you should na dharmam na dharman sachi sunu patish tarapure guru baram. Here guru baram means not separate guru, it has been told. Oh, you should think, you should understand Sachinandan is guru. He is himself chanting, remembering how, where is my beloved Krishna? Rolling down, melting hearts. Saying Yamuna, what is? Oh, Krishna and gopis are playing in Yamuna. And he at once, how he jumped 4 gates of Radhakant Math. 7 gates. So high. The doors made of iron
And locked from
and
inside.
locked everywhere. How he got out? Sometimes he jumped in sea. Oh, Radha and Krishna playing, and he began to play with Radha Krishna actually. And for 2 days, 3 days, he was sinking in ocean, coming and down. And when he was anyhow brought out of water, and anyhow Ramananda and Swarup Damodar, they were keeping in circle Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He became senseless, like tortoise. No body, physical body was like that. No shape of human, like a tortoise, like a round figure. And when anyone who brought from his
Net.
or his fisherman, he told that there is his ghost and he has caught me. Then Swarup Damodar thought that, he has anyhow
Brought Mahaprabhu.
brought Mahaprabhu. And so he gave a slap to him. I know some mantra and you will quickly be
Revived.
Cured.
And then he cured at once by the slap of.
Swarup Damodar.
And he said, I have seen a ghost there. I cannot go there. You can go.
I can
And
go
when
far away.
all the devotees went there and saw, he is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. In love and affection he has become like this. This is what is symptom. It has not even written in Srimad Bhagavatam. This is the mood of Srimati Radhika. When in Madan stage, anyone cannot, even Sarup, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he has read in this, but he never saw a person like him, a devotee. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu becoming like that. When he became in sense and began to chant, then he was weeping so bitterly. How you brought me from dance, Ras of Krishna? I was dancing with Srimati Radhika and all others, with so many gopis with Krishna. Now I am so unfortunate that you have brought me from there. And he began to weep, half in sense and half in not sense.
Ardhavaya Dasa.
Ardhavaya Dasa. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself like this. So he telling that in Rasamarga, means in Raganuga, we should try to follow Chaitanya Mahaprabhu from beginning. How he used to do kirtan with other person, general person, and how he used to test all these things with Malli, Rai Ramananda and Swarup Damodar, sometimes Sikhi Maiti and Madhvi Devi. Not with Haridas, not with Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, not of anyone, only with 3.5. Why Rupa Goswami had not been told? Because at that time he was like a baby, like a student of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and he was writing something. So he was not called. Sanatana Goswami was not called. Raghunath Das Goswami, only some sprinkle coming from Swarup Damodar, but not directly going to that Gambhira and hearing. So how we can test all these things? We should try to follow all these things, making Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, thinking Chaitanya Mahaprabhu like Gurudev. अष्टकालीय लीला के उद्बोधक भाव स्वरूप गौलीला का स्मरण सब लीला. So if we were serving Krishna, we should try to remember Chaitanya Mahaprabhu at first. How? In the shape of Guru. Even when we are meditating Ashtakaliya Leela, those who we used to do, they first used to remember Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's pastimes. In morning Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, remembering the pastimes of Nishanta Leela, and always he was weeping. First we should remember this and then conjugal. So he is like Guru. But he is also telling, you should not think him Gaur-Nagar in this way. And Guru, Bhajan Guru, always like Shiksha Guru, Bhajan Guru. Bhajan, who is Bhajan Guru? Who is telling all these things now with living body. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Krishna, or all our other Shiksha Guru, Chaitya Guru. But there should be some living Guru, like Bhajan Guru, Param Bhagavat, who will teach us all these things. If Diksha Guru cannot teach, we should have a Bhagavat Parampara Guru in such a level. But it is very rare. But in the same time, the devotees who have some greed for this, they are also very rare in this world. By remembering them, this mood can be had. So we should try to follow. And I will explain other things tomorrow. Now we should be ready to. Oh, you should go quickly. And where you will do? Here? So you should.
Like the place? 5 minutes?
Very good. How many times minutes will take?
5 minutes.
Yes, 5-6 minutes.
Then Kirtan.
Krishna Deva Bhavantam Bande.
Krishna Deva Bhavantam
Krishna Deva Bhavantam.
Make a place for them.
জল খাবেন নাকি জল আনবো
Manasa Madhukara Arpaya Nija Padam.
ওইটা নিয়ে আসো।
Baba